Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna talk about the dictionary in the Python. Okay, first of all let me just tell you what is the dictionary. Okay, in dictionary we have the items, and the item is composed of two things: key and value pair. And key and value pair are separated by the colon. So let me just write it down. How can we write the dictionary? Okay, let me just write it. My data, okay, is equal to, okay, for the dictionary you have to use these curly brackets, and in these curly brackets we have to write down the key and value pair. So let me just write the key first. Okay, key is name and value would be my name, obviously. Okay, so you can see that this is our key and this is our value. So both of these things are separated by the colon. But if you want to separate one item from the another item, or okay, we can say that one pair of key value from another pair of key and value, write down here. Okay, what gonna write here now? University, and I would like to add the name of my university, UOS. All right, so this is how you can declare your dictionary. Okay, now how to access the element of the dictionary. So to access the element of dictionary, first of all we have to write the print, and in print I will write the name of my dictionary. And okay, to access the data in our dictionary, you will write the name of the key and it will give you the value in response. So okay, whenever you want to access the data in the dictionary, all you need to write the name of the key and it will give you the value of that key. So I just want to know my name, so I'll write the name key. Okay, and just run this out, and now you can see that it has my name. And I also can access my university data. Okay, alright, so now we have access the both data, my name and my university name. Okay, now we have learned how to access the values in the dictionary. Now we have to update the values in the dictionary. So to update the value, what we're gonna need is to, let me just delete this thing. Okay, let me just write here my data and my data. Okay, my data, you have to write the name of the key here. Equal to, alright, now if we exit our, okay, let me just copy this and paste this here. Now my name data. Okay, after updating my data, obviously my name key would have a different value now. So let's just check this out, and now you can see that my name key has a different value, and you can also see it all together with the my data thing. Now you would see that, okay, now you see that the name has the Martin Ajax data and the university has the US. Alright, so this is how you update your dictionary. And alright, what we have next? Okay, now we need to learn about deleting the dictionary elements. So what you need to do, you have to write the del. Okay, and you have to write the key which you want to delete. So I want to delete my university stuff because I don't want to show you anymore. So when we just print out our dictionary again, it won't have my university key and pair values. Now you can see that I have deleted the university element of my dictionary. This is how you can delete the elements in the dictionary. Okay, if you want to remove all the entries of your dictionary, all you need to do is to write the name of your dictionary and you have to call this method. That's it, and it will remove all the entries of your dictionary. And this is how you can see that we don't have any value in our dictionary. Now it is an empty dictionary. Okay, one more thing. Okay, if you want to delete the whole dictionary thing, you don't want to remove the only the entries of your dictionary, but you also want to remove that dictionary as well. So all you need to do is to write the DL and write the name of your dictionary, and it will delete your dictionary. And whenever you want to run this thing, it will give you the error. Okay, now it is giving me the error here that my data is not defined. It means that we have deleted our my data dictionary. Okay, now I need to discuss the properties of the dictionary keys. Okay, in the dictionary keys there are the two important things that you cannot have more than one entry per key. So more than one entry per key is not allowed. And okay, the second thing is that your keys must be immutable, like the string, like your integer or the tuple. All right, your value could be anything, but there are some kind of restriction on the key, so it must be the immutable. And this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.